In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll have a saved search that automatically notifies you about new roles that match what you're looking for, so you don't have to keep checking manually. Start on your LinkedIn feed, the main homepage after you sign in. At the top, click into the search bar and type the job title or keywords you're targeting. For example, you might enter something like virtual assistant or any role that fits your goals. Don't worry about perfect filters just yet, you can refine things as you go. Once you've entered your keywords, switch to the Jobs tab. This view shows openings related to your search. To anchor the search, open one of the relevant listings you see, such as a remote virtual assistant role. This helps LinkedIn understand the kind of results you want tied to this alert. On the results or listing page, look for the option that says Get Job Alerts for this search and toggle it on. Turning this on tells LinkedIn to watch for new postings that fit the same criteria. If you see a prompt to continue, just proceed so your alert is saved. Next, manage and fine-tune your alert. Click Manage Alerts and then choose Manage Job Alerts. You'll see the saved search associated with your keywords such as virtual assistant. Click that saved search to open its settings, then tap the pencil icon to edit. Now set your preferences. Under alert frequency, choose how often you want updates, daily if you want to act fast on new listings, or weekly if you prefer a digest. Under notification type, decide how you want to be notified. You can receive emails, in-app notifications, or both, depending on how closely you want to track opportunities. There's also an option to get notified of similar jobs. Toggle this on and set it to on to broaden your reach beyond exact matches. This is helpful if titles vary across companies, but the responsibilities align with your interests. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your settings. Finally, click Done to wrap up and return to your alerts list or back to your search. From now on, LinkedIn will automatically send you updates based on these choices so you can focus on crafting strong applications instead of constantly searching. That's all it takes to create and customize job alerts on LinkedIn. If this walkthrough helped you set things up confidently, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.